And then, like he said, when my mother passed away, I buried her. I sat next to her grave. I used to go there every single day. I used to drive around town without a destination in mind. You know, and I'm sure I know how it feels for you as well. But let me tell you something. When I buried my mother, she did not say the Shahada, and at least her brother was, Shaheed, and he was a believer. And he said, "Why don't you use this pain to make sure there's not other Muhammad Khalids in the world crying. Make an effort on others, so that other people don't have to go through the same uncertainty." And he said, "I'm not a scholar, but I can assure you that this is the pain that Sahaba had. They went through it themselves with their family, loved ones. The Prophet ﷺ went through it. So they just channel that pain to make sure there's no more shirk, there's no more Muhammad Khalids out there. There's no one has to go through this pain and uncertainty, And honestly, when he said that to me, it just woke me up, right? And I said, that's my purpose of my life now. That's it. This is what I have to do in my life. It's not for anything else. I mean, really, this world is not to fulfill our ambitions and desires, because this world will not be able to do it for us. But you know how Imam Malik used to say, like, the struggle is not to get to Jannah. The struggle is how many people can you take with you to Jannah?